What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video, Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP and we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Today, I'm going to be mixing up both coins in one video just because I just want to do that. I haven't done that in a minute. But to get into the video, we're going to be taking first off a look at the XRP price chart. One of the things I wanted to mention was the fact that we broke back above the 50 and the I believe it's the 100 or the 200. I'm not even 100 right now. It's been a minute since I've been doing these charts, but we've broken back above both of these EMAs, and that's something very bullish to see. Although we have a heavy rejection right here, which is about 44 cents, and then we have this super long-term. This was a support, but we kind of flipped it. If I go back to the day chart, you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. But this was a support that we actually broke under, so that's why I made it white, because we could pop right back above it. But overall, we still got heavy rejection on this previous support and on these downward trend lines right here. So I do believe that we are going to go to about 44 cents and then climb back down to about 41, and then potentially go all the way back up, and this time even hit 50 cents. That might be something that could be happening, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a financial advisor. Do everything based on this. Invest what you win and lose. So that's with XRP. The RSI, let me see. The RSI is pretty high. Yeah, I ain't even gonna cap. The RSI is pretty high, as you guys can see on previous patterns. Once we get about this high, hold on. Once we get about this high, you can see we start to turn back down. So maybe this would just be a wick above the I believe that's a 200. I'm gonna be double checking after this video. On the next one, I ain't gonna mess up no more. But we are hitting this 50. Yeah, this one's got to be the 100. I'm not even 100 on that. But we are hitting the 50 EMA line right here, and it looks like we can be rejecting back and then tap this support again, with which I actually don't think it will do that. I think it might go. Let's put a horizontal ray right here for short term. Right there. Let's make this one blue because we know that this should be support. And why am I saying that? Because this was rejection, and right here slightly was support. So since we bounced right here a couple times, and then we broke down, we hit this one time and then came down, then we hit it again, and then boom, you guys can see. You guys should be able to put it together. So that's about 38 cents, which would be approximately 10% down if we go back down. About 8.7% if we go back down to 38 cents. So that could be what's happening if the RSI decides to come back down. We could be hitting the potential price of the 38 cents, and then from there we would have to wait and see if we're going to actually recover, or if we're going to keep breaking down and even hit lower numbers like 31. Last Thanksgiving, I was 100% sure that on Thanksgiving it was actually pretty green, and then following day it just dumped. It just took a fat old Taco Bell dookie straight all the way down. I remember, bro. Like, I didn't even go back and check. But the RSI on the day frame is pretty high. The RSI on the 4 hourly is not too bad, but it's still a little high. I ain't even gonna cap. It's a little bit high. So for now, I would be a little vigilant about the RSI on XRP, but the fact that we've actually broke above these EMAs is actually pretty bullish to me. But knowing that there's quite a few rejections coming up, I'm not too bullish. I'm not too bullish at all. This could be just a short-term price fluctuation that we break above these lines and get people to buy in right about these prices, and then we'll just dump again. So that could be something that happens. So now we're going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin. Um, Last time we spoke about Bitcoin, we said that it could be hitting 14K, and worst case scenario, it would be hitting about 12K, or yeah, 11.5K. But we know that a Bart Simpson could be happening right now. A Bart Simpson formation could be happening, because this isn't really looking too much of like a bear flag. And the descending triangle kind of varies on what way it's going. It is more lenient to a bearish flag, to a bearish formation, but these things do, like 35% of the time, do pop back up. So When it does pop back up, it's when it starts to do a Bart Simpson. Once again, I'm gonna show you guys what it is when it does this about straight up sideways, and then it just pops right back up like that. And if you guys turn this upside down, it looks like Bart's head from like The Simpsons or whatever. So that could be something that's happening right here, but we would have to wait and see. I'm actually gonna keep this so we can use it for future references. That this can be something that happens right here where we put this line. So about 3 days ago, I said we would know what's gonna happen within 3 days. The very same night or the next night that I said that, we dumped all the way back down to about almost 14.5. If not, we did hit 15.5. Excuse me. We ended up dumping. I was like, well, there it goes. And I was like, I thought we were gonna hit 14K, but it actually recovered quite good. So now what I'm thinking could be happening is that based off this right here, this is actually pretty good that we broke back above it and we're coming down for a retest. And if it starts to turn green tomorrow, then I am pretty lenient about this. Right now, we would probably be right about here right now. Right about here. That's where that's kind of where I'm standing at right now. But it could always just flip on us and just go straight right back down. This could be a fake out and then go straight back down. I have spoke about that. Excuse me. I have spoke about that quite a few times in the past where there was fake outs and then we dumped. Kind of want to find it, but I don't want to waste too much time. I know it was somewhere right here. This was a fake out right here where like we did this, we faked out, and then we just dumped straight down. That's something that could be happening just in a smaller numbers type shit, you know. But today was Thanksgiving. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving was pretty delicious. I know I ate a lot. I gained about like 4 or 5 pounds. I had a whole bunch of pumpkin pie, cheesecake, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Some ham, fucking. But damn, bro, this Thanksgiving, another Thanksgiving with no bitch, that shit sucks. So if you guys got a girl and you guys had Thanksgiving with her, shit, hopefully you guys gave her that stuffing, if you know what I'm saying. Give her that stuffing, and hopefully instead of pumpkin pie, you gave her that cream pie. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much the wrap of the video. We are waiting on the formations to finally break out or break down or break up. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically what we're just gonna keep sitting on the sideline and waiting. One of the things that I've heard that kind of really hit me was uh, don't anticipate, participate. So if you're thinking about buying right now, don't buy it because you're anticipating a move to the upside. Maybe just wait until that upside move is happening and then you participate in it because then you know it's happening. You know, instead of taking guesses 50-50, you know it's happening because it is happening, and then you participate in the upside movement. So that's one of the advices I want to give to you guys today. I don't want to make this video too long. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving and Christmas coming around the corner. So you guys already know, get your boy a gift, send it my way. A lot of loves and kisses. You already know the bizzo. It's your boy Leo. I'm out. Peace.